I'm making a sunny delight, and as the name suggests, it's going to nourish your nervous system, but it's also going to help with weight management, which is so important. So what I'll do, I just put in a couple of slices of apple, and then I'm going to add 1 date, gives it that little bit of sweetness, rich in fibre, full of fibre, so that helps regulate blood sugar levels. To that, I'm adding some pineapple. It's got digestive enzymes in it, it's got bromelain, wonderful to help soothe the tummy, and a handful of banana, because that's got tryptophan. To that, I'm adding my secret ingredient, some Healthista lean vegan diet protein. It's new and it's fabulous. Last but not least, I've got some rice milk. So I'm going to add that in there and take it up to about 250 mils, and then we're done. So this is wonderful. As I said, nourishing the nervous system, giving you energy as well, but also, more importantly, keeping you full. Enjoy.